While we prepare for 4th of July this weekend, ABC 24 is keeping you safe. We talked to health leaders at St. Francis Hospital on best ways to do just that. Now, for many, growing up, popping fireworks is just holiday fun. But if you're not careful, it can cost you. Last year, 9 people died from fireworks incidents and several people were hurt. So no, it doesn't sound like a lot of people, but for those who survive, they can suffer very dangerous injuries.
They need to be correctly labeled because sometimes, especially if you're buying off-brand fireworks, you don't necessarily know what's in them, and people can get burned by products that aren't what they're represented as.
Sometimes people will even shoot guns in the air on 4th of July, but remember, what comes up must come down, and stray bullets could hit and hurt someone. So it's encouraged to leave the guns at home and just stick to the sparklers.